Do you have an ingrown toenail that's causing pain, swelling, and infection? Don't worry, you can treat it right at home with these 5 simple, natural remedies. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to get rid of ingrown toenails fast using things you already have at home. No surgery or medications required. An ingrown toenail occurs when the edge of the nail grows into the skin beside it, causing irritation, redness, and swelling. It happens when the nail is cut too short, footwear is too tight, or there is improper toenail care. Ingrown toenails are quite common and can happen to anyone. In this video, I will share 5 of my proven home remedies to get rid of ingrown toenails. These remedies will help relieve the pain and discomfort, fight infection, and allow the nail to grow out properly again. Remedy 1. Soak in Epsom salt. Epsom salt helps reduce inflammation and pain. Dissolve 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in warm water. Soak the affected foot for 15 to 20 minutes twice a day. The warm water will open up the skin folds while the magnesium in the Epsom salt reduces swelling. Remedy 2. Use baking soda paste. Baking soda neutralizes fungus and bacteria that cause infection. Make a paste with 1 teaspoon baking soda and a little water. Apply it on the ingrown nail and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. The baking soda paste will dry out the skin and allow the nail to grow out. Remedy 3. Apply tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that will disinfect the toenail and prevent infection. Use a cotton ball to apply 2 to 3 drops of pure tea tree oil on the affected nail 2 to 3 times a day. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will also help reduce swelling and pain. Remedy 4. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is effective at killing fungus and bacteria. Mix equal parts raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and water. Soak a cotton ball in this mixture and apply it on the ingrown toenail. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Do this once or twice daily. Remedy 5. Try a baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. This combination makes for a powerful disinfectant. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts baking soda to form a paste. Apply it on the toenail and let it bubble for 5 to 10 minutes before washing off. Repeat once a day. This will keep the area clean and infection-free. Those are 5 simple yet effective home remedies to treat ingrown toenails naturally. Try these treatments to get fast relief from the discomfort and encourage healthy nail growth. However, if you don't see improvement in 1 to 2 weeks, visit your doctor to rule out any underlying causes. And be sure to wear comfortable footwear and trim your nails properly to prevent ingrown toenails from recurring. I hope these remedies will help you get rid of your ingrown toenail problem. Let me know in the comments if they worked for you.